Everyone has a goal, be it the perfect home or that fancy car, children's education, retirement plan, or even that big fat holiday abroad. But to score a goal, you need a perfect aim. And that's what SIP helps you achieve. Systematic Investment Plan. It's a simple way of investing a fixed amount regularly with discipline and without timing the market. In short, it's the smart way. It instills the habit of savings. It helps you compound your money. It helps in accumulating more units per rupee, hence the rupee average cost is less. It reduces the risk of market volatility. You can take out your money whenever you need. So be smart and invest in SIP for the best returns. Where the bank is concerned as Mutual Fund Distributor or MFD, AUM garnered through SIPs tends to be sticky with multiplying effect. For example, SIP of Rs 2000 effectively sold for 36 months can be equivalent of Rs 72,000 at the end of the SIP term. Bank earns a regular stream of both upfront and trail brokerage commission. Just imagine if 1 lakh such SIPs are sold at the end of 36 months, the AUM could be as high as Rs 720 crore, and the bank as a distributor can earn an upfront commission of Rs 5.40 crores and trail commission of Rs 10.80 crores, taking the total commission from only SIP business to Rs 16.20 crores. This could just be a base case scenario. To promote SIPs as a regular business activity, Union Asset Management has launched Sipathon Annual Club, an ongoing reward and recognition program. The club membership is divided into 4 types: Platinum, Gold, Silver and Bronze. This is for the first phase where the time period is 1st of April to 31st of July 2017. There are different milestones across levels to qualify in a club type. For the zonal office, the milestone for this phase will be: this is the current status of the SIP League, zone-wise. For the regional office, the milestone of this phase will be: this is the list of regional offices that have already entered in a club type. This club program is also extended to the branch staff. In the first phase, these are the milestones for different categories. Being dynamic in nature, one needs to keep achieving the targets consistently in all phases to increase or retain the club membership status. We look forward to many more zones, regions and branch staff qualifying. Please remember, this phase ends on 31st July 2017. So fast track your pace and become a member of this exclusive club.